Hi, I'm Lane, and I'm all about creativity, media, and storytelling. Studying screen and media here at Waikato is a blast. It's where imagination thrives, setting you up for an exciting media career. I started fresh, diving into screen and media in 2021, now pursuing the Master of Media and Creative Technologies. I'm enhancing my portfolio for a film and TV industry. What's exciting about MMCT is its flexibility. You can boost your skills in media and technology in the areas you want to learn most. You'll learn from top media experts and create a range of projects, from short films to AI and VR experiences. It's all about finding your voice in the creative industries. Ready to take your passion for media and creativity to the next level? Join us at the University of Waikato for a journey of discovery, innovation, and professional growth. Enhance your creative journey with an MMCT. Apply now.